Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in Bangkok, Chiang Mai in Phuket. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so you are doing this volunteering by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm in Phuket. I took a flight from Bangkok this afternoon and came to Phuket, as I mentioned in my previous vlog that I'll be going to the south. So I came over here to see the south part of the Thailand. I might be doing some island trips as well over here, and I came over here to see one of my friends whom I met in Istanbul last year. So he's training for Muay Thai. So it's like a kickboxing, a Thai version of kickboxing. So right now it's like 7:20, and he's waiting for me at a place called Tiger Muay Thai. And today is Saturday, so over there is a fight that is going to happen over there. So there will be, like, I think, number of fights which will be taking place this evening, and it's somewhere around like 1,000 baht for the entrance, and you can get all you can eat buffet over there. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's hit the road and see how it is.
The next day.
Hello guys, so today is another bright and beautiful day in Phuket, and it's it's right now it's like 1 in the afternoon. Last night it was quite late for me to reach back to my hostel, so I took an easy start of this day. So last night you saw that after the fight, the the venue turned into a nightclub. So it was quite fun to have what do you say, multiple things at the same time. Like you are having a buffet, as well as you are enjoying the fight, watching the fights, and those fights were quite intense, I would say. And after the fight, it was like nothing happened over there, and like everyone was like partying hard. So it was quite a good experience, and I would highly recommend if you come to Phuket, visit any of these fights in Phuket. It can be also seen in Krabi as well. So every day there are tons of fights happening all around the island. And right now I'm going for a sunset cruise. So my tour operator will be coming soon to pick me up, and it will be somewhere around like 4 or 5 hours of excursion. I will share you the details of that cruise in the description and over here in the caption. So guys, after driving for an hour, we have reached to the dock, and here is the cruise. I think so that uh, we are going in this one. Let me show you. So I think we'll be cruising down the ocean in this one, and we'll have 3 course meal over here. So it's like you come to the dock and you register with them, and you tell them like what you would like to have in the dinner. So it's like you come over here and you select your food options, like what you would like to prefer to eat, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, seafood, or whatever it is. So after driving for somewhere around like an hour, we are at the beach. So the instructors gave us the instructions about everything, and as per them, it is a bit choppy out there in the sea. So yeah, everyone is getting ready. So we'll be hitting the ocean in, I think, in 5 minutes or something. Um, Probably I won't be able to shoot while driving the jet ski. So probably I won't be able to shoot while riding the jet ski. So let's see how much I can create the content on the waters, and let's see how it goes.
Okay, take care on the mainland, okay? On the seawater around the trip, you have my staff, 2 staff, he take care you around the trip, okay? If you want something, you can let to him know. You want to swim, you want to toilet, you want to relax, you want to eat something, you let to him know, right? And then, number 1 member, okay? Number 1 member, for safety, don't do close, never close, do far away. Okay, 5 meter far, 5 meter far, 5 meter far, 5 meter far. Okay, never close, never problem. Okay, if you do close, problem.
How much you need?
Far 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. Okay, far. Yeah, 10 meter, double safety. It's okay. And then number 2, my jet ski. Some jet ski no have brake. If my jet ski no brake, you don't do zigzag in your group. Don't do not in your group. Don't turn very close. Why? If you turn very close, another one don't know. Big problem, okay? We fast. Boom.
look at me. תעשה לנו רגע. תודה. It's okay, don't bite. רגע. פוטו. איזה חמוד.
So guys, after riding for like I think 2.5 hours, we've been riding jet ski continuously for like 2.5 hours in the ocean, and it was quite an experience to ride this jet ski um, in the open ocean, like open waters. There's nothing that can stop you except the waves. And unfortunately, after that place where you saw those two rocks kind of a thing, like looking like James Bond Island kind of a thing, from there to this island, it was quite choppy. The waves were super strong, and it was very difficult to ride the jet ski. And so yeah, we came to this island and had lunch over here. So we are relaxing for a bit over here, and then I think we will continue until we reach to the mainland again of Phuket. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Early the next morning.
Hello guys. So today is another day in Phuket, and let me continue from where I left yesterday. So you saw me doing that jet ski thing yesterday. So after coming back from that tour, I was pretty much exhausted, pretty much tired, so I couldn't um, continue on my vlog, and then it was like getting quite late as well. So I was supposed to go out with my friend to have a dinner. So yeah, I couldn't record anything. I couldn't share my experiences. I couldn't record my experiences last night. So let me tell you about my experience in Phuket. So I didn't do quite many things over here. So I was not interested to go for the beaches or like parties or anything. And so yeah, Muay Thai fight was like a good thing, like which I did. It was an experience definitely. So if you are into like kickboxing or something, then surely you can come and see the Muay Thai fight over here. And talking about the jet ski experience, it was worth doing it. So it was my first time riding a jet ski in the open ocean, so like in the open waters. I've driven jet ski before once in Turkey, so but it was like a jolly ride thing. But riding jet ski in the open waters is completely different thing. So weather yesterday was rainy, so the waves were quite choppy. But I would highly recommend, like, if you come over here to Phuket, do that thing. And I will share the link of that tour in the description, or and you can book it from there. Apart from that, you can do tons of things, and I don't have to talk about those things. So yeah, you can do it by yourself. So now I'm all packed and I'm ready to leave, and I will see you in another vlog. Cheers.